Autonomy 2.0 will drive the next S-curve and deliver sustainable abundance. Tesla is a leader in autonomy, advanced manufacturing of autonomous systems, and intelligent infrastructure. National leaders have highlighted how intelligent infrastructure and AI are rebuilding the backbone of the internet, from the cloud to the edge. AI RAN will be one of the most strategic foundations of our time, leading to the refactoring of how we manage spectrum and compute. Intelligent infrastructure will drive our nation's productivity and sovereignty, pushing our GDP past 4%.
And also because you could distribute the towers every mile or so easily, and
Yes.
yeah, and or just make them look cool, make them look like robots.
Everything that moves will be robotic. Every car, every tractor, every excavator,
We know that services like artificial intelligence, spatial computing, intelligent transportation, and autonomous systems will require an intelligent infrastructure to support scaled adoption. National sovereignty and global productivity will go to the nation that deploys the intelligent infrastructure enabling Industry 4.0.